Avoid sleeping too late in the day. Now, you might not be a daytime sleeper, or you might be sleeping during the day because your body needs it right now. But one of the things that we teach is making sure that you're not sleeping too late in the day. So if you do need a daytime sleep, sleep between the times of 10 a.m. and 2 to 3 p.m., no later than that. Why? Because if you sleep later than that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You wake up at 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. and you're like, what time is it? And your brain's trying to figure out, is it morning or is it nighttime? And so basically you're ruining your circadian rhythm. What we want to do is, yes, we want to honor our body. If we need more deep rest and sleep during the day, that's fine. We need to honor that. But we need to do it in the right appropriate times. If we're doing it too late in the day, we're confusing our brain and our body, and we're not going to sleep well at night. This is something you've got to be flexible with. Some people couldn't sleep until 4 a.m. in the morning because they sleep so late in the day. We had to reverse this slowly. In particular, one teenage boy would wake up at like 3 p.m. in the afternoon because he just had the worst night's sleep. And so we had to work with him for 6 months to rewind his body clock and get him into a good rhythm and routine. And it was very hard initially for him, but I can tell you that after 6 months, that boy was a brand new boy. More energy, would wake up normal times, got stronger and healthier over time, and basically was able to go and live his life full time after that. But it was a real hard process to get him out of that rhythm and routine, which is exactly what it is. It's a pattern. We need to break the pattern, but we need to do it in a flexible way, whether that's easing back 20 minutes at a time or 5 minutes at a time or an hour at a time, whatever suits you. Again, this is where having a coach or a program to help you with this stuff is very important. So yeah, don't sleep any later than 3 p.m. Don't freak out if you do, but try and pull it back more, okay? So you've got more time in the afternoon for your brain and body to see, okay, the sun's going down now and I can sleep. It's time to go back to bed now.